As the House of Representatives resumes its session today, House Speaker Faustino Boji III urged House members to set aside politics and remain united in serving the public. Our Vel Custodio has more in this report.
Strengthening measures against corruption. This is one of the key priorities as the House of Representatives resumed its session.
Panahon na upang palakasin ang mga hakbang laban sa korupsyon. Panahon na upang bumuo ng sistemang magbibigay linaw sa pondo at magbabalik ng tiwala ng taong bayan sa pamahalaan.
House Speaker Faustino Boji III urged members of the House to set aside politicking and remain united in serving the Filipino people. On the implementation of the People's Budget, Congress aims to strengthen its oversight functions through the Joint Congressional Oversight Committee on Public Expenditures. This said, the committee will conduct performance and audit validation, not just on paper, but in actual implementation to ensure that public funds are used properly, sufficiently, and fairly. In connection, Speaker Boji D. met with Department of Information and Communications Technology Secretary Henry Aguda for the development of an application called House Book.
Katunayan yan, nakipagpulong tayo muli kay DICT Secretary Aguda itong nakaraang linggo upang talakayin ang pag-develop ng app para sa Kamara na tatawagin nating House Book. With this app, House members and staff will be able to monitor committee roll calls, track the numbers of votes, and manage the huge volume of documents, and among others. The goal is fully digital and paperless Congress that is faster and more efficient. These are only the initial steps toward a House that is transparent, accountable, and worthy of the people's trust.
The said app is one of the measures aimed at transparency and accountability. Meanwhile, the House Speaker said that Congress is open to discussing long-avoided issues, including anti-political dynasty bill.
Bubuksan natin ang diskusyon na matagal nang iniiwasan. Kabilang dito ang anti-political dynasty bill. Alam kong ito'y sensitibo at personal para sa ilan, maging sa aking sariling pamilya. Ngunit kung seryoso tayo sa reforma, kung ang hangad natin ay patas na pagkakataon para sa lahat, we must have the courage to talk about it, honestly, openly, and with sincerity.
They said that if Congress truly seeks genuine reform and equal opportunities for all, it must courageously discuss the anti-political dynasty bill with honesty and sincerity. Vel Custodio for the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.